transported to the city.
Who? Oh, that's where he had us pulled up.
Mm-hmm.
For them, I should be jumping quick. Oh, God. Hey, big. Hey, yo, what up? Hey, what are we at? Hey, Slime. Shut. Yeah, that's the only thing I said. That's a goofy though. I smoke the ops all the time. I got Fredo with my cup in here. No, I ain't done. LA and T-Roy had to get smoked. It's only right. Hell, shutty. Nah, that's my dog. You know? Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. Put a hole in that nigga just like LA. What y'all on though? I'm already smoking for him. He a goofy. hey, hey, now what you laughing at, bro? He's all nigga a goofy. Hey, Doe, what you laughing at, bro?
Boy, this Montana boy.
What you on? What you laughing at?
I'm laughing at these characters in the comments.
Hey, I swear to God, I thought this was dope. What you on, gang?
Shit, getting to
Hey,
it, for
you know, I keep LA and T-Roy on my lap.
hot boy.